Hey guys, this is my leg of lamb chop that I'm cooking. So I've already cut it into small pieces, like nice cute small bites like these. So right now I'm going to add all my spices. I'm going to first season it and spice it before I saute it into the pan. So look how beautiful my lamb looks. I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. I'm making my Sunday lunch for my family. ladies and gentlemen, her. So this is our lamb curry stew, the star of the dish. How gorgeous is this, you guys? How gorgeous is this?
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days.
This is my final Sunday lunch. I have a few potatoes there. I try not to have a lot of potatoes, but I'm gonna taste some today. So let's start with the carrots. So here I grated some carrots, and I chopped some onions very finely, and basically a quarter of an onion as well as a quarter of green pepper. I chopped it finely and I mixed it with the mayonnaise. And then here, you guys must have seen this one, I basically boiled my beetroot and then I added some salt, a bit of salt for taste. And then I added some sweet chili sauce and some parsley and a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar depends on how much tanginess you prefer. And then here I've got my roasted gem squash. So I basically just cut it, cleaned it, removed the seeds, and then I added just a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of butter, and then I roasted it into the oven until it's soft and it's got that beautiful brown color. And then here, this is my star of the dish, the lamb curry. It's so beautiful, you guys. So I removed that gem squash and I just put it on the side, and then I used the gem squash container to use it as my dish for my lamb curry. So this dish is so beautiful, guys. I'm so excited to dig in. Everything looks so yummy.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at